Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the Dell Vostro 3910 Business Desktop, a powerhouse designed to elevate your work experience to new heights. Let's break down what makes this desktop tick. First up, under the hood, we've got the impressive 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12400 processor, boasting 6 cores and 12 threads, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth performance for your everyday tasks. And with turbo speeds ranging from 2.50 GHz to 4.40 GHz, you'll breeze through your workload with ease. Now, let's talk graphics. Equipped with an integrated Intel UHD graphics card, the Vostro 3910 delivers crisp visuals, perfect for both work and entertainment. Plus, with the included DVD drive, you'll have the flexibility to read from and write to CDs and DVDs whenever needed. But what really sets this desktop apart is its premium RAM and storage options. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, multitasking becomes a breeze, allowing you to tackle multiple projects simultaneously without skipping a beat. And with a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe M.2 SSD, say goodbye to long load times and hello to blazing fast performance. When it comes to connectivity, the Vostro 3910 has you covered. Featuring Wi-Fi 6AX201 and Bluetooth combo, along with a comprehensive range of ports including HDMI, DisplayPort, RJ45, and 8 USB ports, for USB 2.0 and 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1, you'll stay connected and productive no matter where you are. And let's not forget about the operating system. Running on Windows 11 Pro, you'll enjoy a seamless user interface and language support in US English, optimizing your computing experience like never before. In conclusion, the Dell Vostro 3910 Business Desktop is the ultimate workstation upgrade for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its powerful performance, premium features, and sleek design, it's time to take your productivity to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.